So, hello class. Now, Lakshit ready, Pranay ready, Dipali ready, Abhigyan, all of you be ready now. Let us try to now check on some questions from our textbook on exponents. In the previous class, you studied about certain laws. So, let us take this. Now, here, as soon as I look at this, this is negative. The power is negative. So, how do we put the power positive? So, what we do is, I will write down like this and then I will write this. So it cannot be, with the negative power, it cannot be evaluated. We have to make the power positive. So always think this is a fraction. So what we do is we can put the power positive by taking the whole part on which there is power in the denominator. That means if we exchange. So this becomes, now we can evaluate 1 divided by 5 cube is 125. Suppose that the question is not there. Suppose somebody tells me to, so this is my question, say for example, 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. So how I will evaluate? So always, if it is on the first floor, bring it to the ground floor. If it is in the ground floor, take it. That means numerator. If it is in the numerator, it should go to the denominator. So nothing is there. That means I have to look at this fraction like this. So here also what will happen? This will go up. 1 will stay 1 into 2 and the power will be now positive. So this will be 2 square, that is 4. Now suppose there is a fraction on which there is a negative power. That is question number B. So what will happen? 2 by 3 the whole cube minus cube. So it will just change. 3 by 2, just reverse. So this is 3 cube, that is 27 by 2 cube is 8. Simple. So if I tell anybody can answer 4 by 5 to the power the whole minus 2, then it will become 5 by 4 to the power plus 2. So the power will become positive only when you exchange or interchange the numerator and denominator. So this is the first part. So we write this in the form of a law, or many laws we can write. First law will be if a to the power minus n will be 1 by a to the power n. Second will be 1 by b to the power minus n. So it will become b to the power n. And third one will be a by b to the power minus n, so it becomes b by a to the power. And this rule should be in your head. That's all, just converting the power positive. But so when you have singled out and there is a power, then we apply these rules. But suppose we are here, but we know the laws, no? Product of two numbers with power or exponents. What happens? In product you add the powers. So 5 by 3, then you add 6 and minus 4 when added. 6 and minus 4 should be added. So 6 minus 4 when they are added, what is this? So this is there, this one can be, and suppose I put, so this one will be the same, 9 by 8 to the power minus 3 into 9 by 8 to the power 2. What does this become? 9 by 8 minus 3 and plus 2. So we have to add. So it will be minus 1. So the answer will be, now you have to make it positive. So 8 by 9. Did you understand? So this is the case over here. Suppose I had to put a division. Now what we will do with division? Just a second. This again. So if there is a division, suppose I had a division in negative. 2 by 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. It's very simple. 2 by 3, when the bases are the same, division means the power should be, I put it 3. No confusions. So you have to subtract the power with the sign when there is division. So it becomes 2 by 3. And what does it become? Let us see. It becomes 2 by 3 and 2 minus 2. So it becomes 2 to the power plus 5. This can be done by many methods. This can be done by this way also. 2 by 3 square. Now division, now you can change the power, 3 by 2 cube. Alright, so you can change it and then proceed by getting everything. So this is 4 by 9 divided by this is 27 by 8, and then what happens, this goes as 4 by 9 into 8 by 27. It comes to the same thing. So 32 means 2 to the power 5, and this will become 3 to the power 5. So it comes to the same thing what we did. So the shortest way is that if there is a division, then what you do, just simply, and the bases are same, just simply write the power first of the first term, then minus, and when with the sign the power of the second. So it becomes 2 by 3. So it's again, you see, 32 by 729, like that. So that is there. Now here, now there is nothing big over here. This is 5 by 9 minus 2, all the fractions are different, 3 by 5 to the power minus 3, and now into, this is anything to the power 0 is 1, so we don't have to care for that. Just put 1 over there. So what will happen? This will be 9 by 5 whole square, and this will be into 5 by 3 whole cube, and then you can expand and solve. You can just expand and solve. 9 into 9 into 5 into 5. Now you can easily now this will become into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So 9 goes, 2 5 goes, so it will be 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 15 over here. So we will be able to do this. Now next one is minus 2 cube whole square minus 2 and then 1. Now see, this is power of power. So when there is power of power, then we multiply all the powers. So what it becomes? Minus 2 cube, 2 into minus 2 into what? So minus 2 cube positive 4. Now the power over here, see, it was negative. The power is negative, so we reverted. We did not touch this negative sign. Now we see this power is even, so the answer will be positive. So we remove the minus. Now 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So we get this answer. Did you all understand this? So ensure if there is small calculation which is yet to be done, or little bit of calculations where you see there some changes are there, reverse and go through this nicely. Always go with the video slow and twice or thrice, and zoom it if you are on a tablet or a mobile, and you will be able to do these sums. Thank you.